tire.
Yeah, he's in the army and he was thinking about getting a bike.
Alright, well,
so, I'll let him ride.
Just crashed a motorcycle. And the man that just crashed the motorcycle is changing the tire of a random stranger.
Is that Kevin Hankin? That's fucking Kevin Hankin.
Wave to the camera, Kevin.
Wave to the camera, Kevin. He just fucking
crashed the motorcycle.
Wrecked the motorcycle. He was everywhere. Explain this, Kyle.
Well, Kevin Hankin decided that his first time on a motorcycle didn't need a helmet when we told him, Kevin, you should have a helmet. It's okay. Ate shit on the car. What?
My wrist hurts like a bitch.
As you can see,
Yeah, the only thing wrong is this was bad.
the bike got raped from the side.
I got a whole fucking front fender and some black primer like this. That's awesome.
He's getting someone to check it out now. We got a whole rally going.
I mean, I can come out of my house. I live right here in the acreage.
These women aren't sober.
My garage is full of fucking bikes, bro. 633-5802.
Can't find the A-frame on the Honda Civic.
You gonna be here for a while?
We'll have that.
Fucking Honda Civics. Fucking Honda Civics. Poor bike. The oil's leaking. Smell funky. Here we got a flat tire. Kevin Hankin, ladies and gentlemen. Kevin Hankin. It's the man himself.
What do you get?
How bad do you think it is? I got
Oh, yeah, the bike. Shit,
It didn't want to start for a while.
I'm fixing three things at once. I'm trying to do first aid. I'm trying to do.
He's trying to fix himself.
Change this tire.
Here, go. We'll tell you the price on the bike.
Then he's fighting for our country.
Just worry about the car. We'll get the bike.
Dude,
I think I have the first aid set.
All right.
I'll deal with it later.
All right. What a hero.
this is a true American hero.
This is a soldier right
This
here.
is a soldier right here, ladies and gentlemen.
This is what the Army trains you for, Kevin.
Fucking Kevin Hankin.
3 days out of basic training, already crashed a motorcycle.
Fucking poor motorcycle. Check out that windshield. The monster's cut it right in half. Any last thoughts, Kyle?
There you go. Well,
Yeah, I might.
There it is.
Is he yours, man, old man?
the owner.
Kyle, any last words?
What a day.
What a fucking night. What a
What
fucking
a
night.
morning. Good morning.
What a
It's
morning
1 a.m.
and a fucking night. And it's Drizzle and Hoffman Productions once more.
Another great
Bringing you
production.
Another
by us.
great fucking production. What is this? Is this Friday? No, it's Saturday.
it's
It's
Saturday.
Saturday.
This is
More
our special-
productive than Fridays.
We don't have productive Fridays.
And Kevin Henkel says, bye-bye.